There's a fair in Paso Robles. I don't think I'll be able even to park anywhere. There's a line just to get off the freeway. Police car everywhere. I don't think I can stay here tonight. I think I can stay here somewhere close to the freeway. There's some industrial section here. And actually on the other side of this Alliance Square, I saw another trailer parked and a guy sitting there with the guitar. I'm gonna go check them.